Hi guys, my name's Rose.
And my name is January. Today, we are going to be unboxing
ROG's Electro Punk Edition Peripherals.
Alright, since there is 4 items over here, let's start with the Strix Go 2.4. Now, we only get one chance to unbox this, so make sure you really feel the moment. Alright, ladies first. But before that, let us clear the table.
Thanks, Jan. I'll make sure to go really slow on this. Let's get started. Okay, so the packaging looks very exclusive. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks cool.
So it welcomes us to, the Republic of Gamers community. And inside there's a pouch, which holds the headset and all of the accessories included. This is very handy for someone who travels, especially like me. You travel a lot too, right?
No, I don't travel.
Okay, so behind it comes with the manual and the warranty.
Yeah, we don't need that.
Nobody actually, reads
Need that, yeah.
So let's open. Oh my god, this is so exciting!
Wow.
Okay, I can't wait to show you guys. So this is the headset. Of course, it's wireless. So as you can see, it's pink. And it also comes with a USB-C pink dongle.
And also the button, it's all pink.
I love pink. Okay, so oops. Okay, then it also comes with cables. Oops, yeah.
And what's this?
Oh, the microphone.
Oh, the
Extender mic. I don't know what it's called. Mic. Get in.
Oh, so this is like when you don't need it, you can keep it.
Yes, you can keep it.
It won't annoy you like.
Yes, because other headphones, it's just there. You can't get it out.
I see.
That's what makes this different. Now, why choose this headphones over the original one? Now, the reason being is because it's pink. Buy it for the aesthetic. Be like me. Use pink for the aesthetic. So,
Why don't you try it on? Okay.
How does it look?
Okay, look. You look good.
Really?
Yes, especially when you are wearing pink too.
I can barely hear you.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Let me try it.
Okay, try it.
Let me try it. Alright, where's the right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I wrote wrong side.
Right, talk.
Hey.
Oh, I can barely hear you.
Right?
Yeah.
The noise cancellation is so
we didn't
good.
even plug it in the PC yet, so...
Exactly.
Yeah, and you know what? It looks cool on me too.
Yeah, the color, I must say, it looks good on guys as well, not only girls.
Yeah, because they chose this dark and electric pink color instead of the pastel one. It still looks cool when guys wearing it, and I still look so lengthai when I'm wearing it also.
So now, let's introduce the Strix Scope 10 keyless keyboard. Jen, I believe you want to do this one?
Yes, it's my turn now. I'm gonna try my best to be as gentle as I can for this keyboard before I rip anything else.
We're excited.
Yeah, just pull it out. Okay, so it comes with the keyboard itself and...
Be gentle!
I'm
Don't
trying
be too
my
excited!
best. I'm trying my best. Alright, this is the keyboard and the cables are right here. So they detach the cable and the keyboard so we can like bring it here and there easily. Yeah, so
travel friendly.
Yes. Alright, so look at the keyboard. It's so small because it's 10 keyless. You don't have the numpad anymore because normally we gamers, we don't actually use the numpad a lot. Most of the key that we use is WASD, and normally when we type things, we only need these.
You mean when you rage?
Can I just take this, tap out and run home now?
No.
Like, no?
No.
Please?
No.
Alright.
We still have 2 more items to go, and that is our mouse and mousepad. So, they both come hand in hand together, perfect partners. How about we unbox them together?
Alright, sure.
Okay, let's get it in. Okay, let's do this. Which one do you want?
I will go with the mouse.
And I'll take the mousepad.
Alright, let's open it up.
So, first appearance, it looks really huge.
Wow! Black and pink mouse and the warranty card and the manual. We don't need that.
It comes with stickers, black and holographic stickers. I've never seen a mousepad.
I want to stick it at my CPU later.
You take one, I take one.
Alright, sure. Alright,
The mousepad is pink and black as well. It's so huge.
It can cover the whole desk already.
Yes, I know,
I'm
right?
imagining my computer desk now. It's gonna cover the whole thing for my keyboard, for my mouse.
It's gonna look so cool.
Yeah, the color is so cool. Alright, take a look at it. The size of the mouse is small and very light. Yeah, it fits my hand perfectly. If I'm using this 3 years back, I'm gonna go CSG or ESL already.
Oh really?
Listen to the sound.
Ooh, so satisfying.
It feels so good. Ooh,
Sounds so good as well.
And wait, I think I can see through the mouse. Or is it my eye problem?
I think you blind one.
Take a look. Take a look.
Oh wait, you're not blind. You can really see through.
It's real, right? Yeah,
Guys, look.
guys, you can see through.
literally
You can,
see through.
yeah, you
So
can see the
cool. Okay, I'm
mechanics
gonna try
inside.
it.
All right.
It fits my hand perfectly. Oh, and it's light. You can't feel like you're actually using a mouse. It glides on so smoothly, especially with this mouse pad.
I know, right?
You know, guys, I think I can start playing FPS games now.
Rose, stop. Are these actual words?
Yes, it actually means join the Republic in different languages.
Oh, in another meaning, asking me to join the Racun gang lah.
Something like that.
Alright, so we have unboxed everything. It's time for a conclusion.
Okay, so I honestly love the aesthetic and it's very cool, futuristic, and it's made by ROG. ROG is known to have a design language that's made for gamers.
And the color scheme reminds me a lot about Cyberpunk. It's all dark and bright neon colors. That's it for our unboxing video today, guys. I hope you guys love it. If you have some salt, leave it in the comments.
But wait, don't forget that we will have a review video coming up soon about these peripherals. So, see you guys. Bye!
Bye-bye.